Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to some after hours market wrap up with your host, Zachary Azimus Amuso. Ladies and gentlemen, we had a very interesting trading session today. We actually had, for the first time in quite some time, some bidding around VWAP. Can you believe it? We had bidding around VWAP on the TF. Now, I have 3 different charts up here, and you're probably wondering why. Tomorrow, and this is the main thing I want to get across tonight. Tomorrow, I will be trading CLVO, aka Light Sweet Crude Oil Futures. I will be trading TFUO, aka Russell 2K Index Mini SAS Futures. And I will be trading the E-mini SMPs ESUO. So, I will be trading 3 different things tomorrow. When one goes dead and I get bored with it, I will switch to the other one. Let's take a look and break down the time frames. I'm running with a 144 tick chart for the CL because I am looking to scalp. Each cent is $10. Each dollar is 1,000. It's $1,000 for one contract. One 10 spot, as in $72 to $72.10 is $100. You need to be on your game when you're trading CL, and I'm looking for CL for those quick moves. I will be writing them up and or down, and I will be getting out of them ASAP. I am looking to scalp CL. That is my trading strategy for CL, and we will see how it works tomorrow. You will hear analysis of CL tomorrow. TF, we had a very interesting trading day today. I was trading the 2-minute chart. This gives me an ample amount of time to determine whether or not I want to buy or sell the large rips and the large dips. Buy either on a base, like we had here today at the 34 EMA a couple times, and VWAP here, and whether or not I want to short these snapbacks or retracements to previous resistance levels that were turned into supports, like we had a couple of times today as well. We had fairly decent market action today. Volume, but we had fairly decent market action today. I was very impressed with the way the TF traded. I did not trade particularly well today. I got chopped up very early in the morning, and I left the desk around 1, came back to the desk probably about 3 o'clock. So I caught a little bit of this run, caught a little bit of this short. Didn't do much. Again, we are still paper trading. I will be paper trading CL and ES as well. We chopped around a lot today, as I discussed in the TF afternoon review. Broke out, and then when we broke below the 34 EMA, this was the squeeze of squeezes. This was the mother squeeze, if you will. The push off of VWAP above the 34 EMA, but we traded in this range between the 34 EMA acting as resistance and the VWAP acting as support midday today. That turned out to be a very profitable trade on the break of the 34 EMA. Switching over here to the ES, we can see that I'm on a 5-minute time frame. I'm going to try to catch the longer term swings intraday that we get in the ES. I'm pretty much looking for a couple of handles, and I will be using some handle stops just because each tick is $12.50, so a whole handle is $50, and 2 handles will be $100, which is fairly acceptable seeing that I use a 4-tick stop, which is $40 on TF per contract. But today, we used 1044 as a pretty legitimate base. 1044, 1043.50 is a pretty legitimate base. Base down here, kicked up pretty high on some significant volume. Caught about a 6-handle move before really stalling out and pulling back. And we used the 34 EMA, like the TF, as support on this way up. I was watching it as volume started to come through here, and this was actually a very interesting portion of indecision here from about 2:30 to 3:30. But that actually cleared up, broke down at first to 1051-ish, and then snapped back up. ES was actually a little bit worse off than I expected today over the TF. Ladies and gentlemen, enjoy your evening. I will see you on the stream in the morning.